Today I'm going to be making a pumpkin arch from some locally sourced hazel sticks. Pumpkins are notorious for spreading, and as you can see these are quite early in the season. We won't be harvesting these till sort of the end of October, and we're only in August now, and they just grow and grow and grow, and they will just spread everywhere, so take up all the room. So the best thing to do is to go vertically. So if I can make an archway that's strong enough to take the weight of all of the fruits, etc., that come on the arches, then all well and good, and I can keep the space for all of my other crops. And also it makes a great garden feature. So to start with, I'm going to need some hazel sticks. I need a strong dibber to make the holes into the ground, a screwdriver and some screws. And I'm going to need some twine. So the first job is to choose the positions where I'm going to put the holes and make 3 holes, because I'm having 3 canes each side, and make the holes ready to put the canes in. You need a sturdy dibber. I am using a garden fork handle. Make the holes deep enough to suit your ground conditions. Then simply insert all the hazel poles into the pre-prepared holes. So what I've done, I've put all my poles in. These are all 10-foot long poles, and what I want is plenty of height, because I'm imagining the foliage will all sort of kind of come inside. So if you don't have them wide enough, if you don't have them tall enough, you won't be able to walk through the archway. So they're all 10 feet long. So what I've done is some of them I've cut in half, so I've got a 5-foot piece, and then what I've done is that, so I can set the height and the distance, I've set some screws in 8 inches from each side. What I'm going to do is fix this cross piece 2 meters off the ground, and I'm going to do that for all 3. Each joint is fixed with a screw. I have also added diagonal braces to each side and to the top to make the frame much more rigid. To give the frame a rustic look, I am using garden twine. This is wrapped around each joint to both secure the joint and make it look aesthetically pleasing. So there we go, that's the finished archway, nice and sturdy. I've tied in all the joints, I've made sure it's all braced and fixed, and I've started off the pumpkins to climb up the frame. And I hope you've liked this video. Hoping it's given you a little bit of inspiration for your own garden. And if you like the video, then click like, subscribe or follow me, and I'll try and do 1 or 2 more videos like this. Thanks for watching.